Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error occurred, please try again. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic method is force quit Facebook app and restart your device. For that, double tap on home button and force quit the Facebook app by swiping up. After that, go to settings, then tap general, scroll down and tap shutdown. Now, drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes, turn on your iPhone and relog in. If you are still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solution to fix this issue. Solution number 2. Go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi. Now go back to iPhone home screen, tap and hold App Store, tap Updates. Now check the list. If update is available for Facebook, tap Update. Solution number 3. Check the latest version of iOS. Launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Now we go for solution number 4. Tap and hold Facebook app and tap Remove app. After removing the app, go back to App Store and reinstall. Solution number 5. Go to settings, then tap General, scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.